What's up, YouTube? We're out front of Haddon Point, the new townhome community, and we're over at Living Faith Church in Pennsauken, New Jersey, Haddonfield Road. So Anthony and I were talking about, things that you can do good for the environment, and I said, one thing is picking up trash that people are just so careless. I don't understand any of it, but there's just trash everywhere. And so I said, Ant, you could start a nonprofit and and start making videos of you cleaning up here's a friggin' tire out front of the church. Like, this is God's land right here. The whole world is God's land, but people are making a mess out of it. So we're going to take this tire. I have a business that has a dumpster, so we're going to dispose of it properly. But Anthony started a nonprofit and a GoFundMe. What's the name of your GoFundMe? Clean Streets. CLEENSTREETZ. Say it again.
Clean Streets.
So this is what he's going to do on a regular basis for people who really want to help their environment and maybe can't get out of their houses and don't have the resources to do it. So we're out here doing it. So he's going to pick up all the trash right here on this U-turn. Look, there's trash inside of that tree over there. We're going to get that. There's just trash everywhere on this little island. And today is a beautiful day here in Pennsauken, New Jersey. You can see people are out driving around, but this is horrible. That tire is not going to biodegrade by itself. It has to be disposed of properly. There's foam. There's, oh, interesting. There is a Zach Martin football card, aluminum can. But people are just so careless. So careless. And I don't think a lot of people really realize what the benefit is of keeping their streets and their environment clean. And my son is going to do his part, and we're going to help him get there. But you do your part and support him on his nonprofit and also his GoFundMe account. But look, there's trash everywhere out here. And we're going to do our part and clean it up a little bit. Right in front of the church. Really, I just don't get it. And everywhere I go, all I see is trash out front of people's houses, and it's just disgusting. People start really doing their part. Pull over, and clean up some trash. If you can't, and you have areas that are, in South Jersey, and say, message Anthony, and he'll go over there and do his best to clean up on the resources that we have to make your environments cleaner and better.
This is neat. We need to cut it or something.
Like, that's insane. Just stick it in the back of the truck so it doesn't blow away. Like, that will never decay and degrade. If it keeps blowing around, it's going to wind up, in the waterways, in the sewers. So we're going to do our part here and clean it up a little bit. And then Ant's going to bust out a video for you guys to watch. And like I said, we're at the Living Faith Church in Pennsauken, New Jersey on Haddonfield Road. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, support, do your best. Every little bit of money will help provide the dumpster fees that I have to pay, the bags and the fuel and things of that nature for us to go out here and do this type of stuff. All right. And what is your GoFundMe again?
Clean Streets.
Clean Streets.
Yep.
Thanks for watching.